This is Jennifer from Skyezone. What I'd like to show you is how to improve the flow of a roll-on container. So the things that you're going to need are a sharp blade knife to remove the collar and a skewer which actually gets thicker halfway down. This is actually a meat heating thermometer for cooking, but it's perfect for this job. So first of all, remove the collar. So put the sharp blade between the glass and the plastic. Remove that with a pop. You then need to push out the ball from the roller. That's easy with the skewer. Just press that out, put it down. Okay, so what we're trying to do is increase the aperture of the hole. And to do that, I'm going to place the skewer in and press it down firmly. You might need to do that a couple of times. It won't break it. Just press that in and then pop the ball back on and replace it on the top. And away you go. That should flow more smoothly. Now, if you have any problems with a container, you can always contact me, email or phone. I will always replace a faulty container, but there's some quick tips for you. Okay, happy refilling.